So let's talk about adding a phone number. All right, so in order to add a phone number, you're going to go to your left-hand side of the menu here. We're going to click on settings here at the bottom, and then we're going to scroll down and look for phone numbers and click on phone numbers. All right, so let's say we want to add, we're going to go ahead and add our phone number. We're going to click on that blue button on the right hand side here that says add number with the plus sign in front of it. So we're going to click on that. A drop down will appear, and we're going to add a phone number that's used for SMS and calls. So let's click on add phone number, and then this box will pop up for you to choose a phone number within your country. So at the top here, you'll see it says United States, but up here, you'll see that they have Georgia listed numbers. And if you keep scrolling, there are also some toll-free numbers as well too. On the right-hand side, it'll show you the price of the phone numbers. So they usually are about $115 to $215 for the price. Now, let's say if we do not stay in Georgia, let's say we stay in a different state, let's say North Carolina. If you want a state specific, phone number, you're going to click on filter. And then here at the top, it'll say provider. And then you're going to leave this as number. But in this middle box here, you're going to type in, I would suggest the area code for the city that you would like your phone number to be with, if that's what you choose. Or if you just want any area code within your state, just pick any area code that you wish within your state. Either way, you would type those numbers in this box. So let's say I choose 704. Okay, so, and here we're going to leave this as any part of the number. So we're going to click apply. All right. So now we're going to scroll down, because at the top it's going to show you the toll-free numbers. But we're going to scroll down to the bottom to see if anything for 704 populates. Okay, so let's see. We don't see anything yet. These are Atlanta numbers. Let's keep going. All right. So they don't have anything for 704. All right, so let's try it again. Let's hit filter and let's do 980. We're going to hit apply again. All right, and it's searching. All right, toll-free numbers are here at the top. And then we're going to keep scrolling down until we see, look, where we go. There's 980, 980, 980. And then there's some more if you keep looking. They may not be all starting at 980. So if you need to keep looking down, just keep digging. All right, so let's say I'm just going to pick one that is easy for me to remember. Let's see. Let's pick a good one. You don't have to make this difficult either. So all right, so I'm going to pick this one. All right. This is just something that's easy for me to remember. However, you are free to choose as you like. And then you're going to click on proceed to buy. All right. And now you have purchased your phone number.